AI in general, I think, and Sam Altman made a comment about this, a couple months ago, where he really looked at the adoption of AI in the same way that different generations adopted the iPhone, right? So older generations, it took them a while to figure out just how to kind of navigate the basic functionality of an iPhone, whereas younger generations were very easy to navigate through the new technology. You're seeing that show up with Gen AI today, where older generations are using Gen AI to effectively replace like Google search, where younger generations are looking at this as almost like their operating system. They're infusing and embedding it in their everyday lives, right? And so as the device ecosystem changes, as you move from your smartphone to wearables in terms of glasses or robots or drones and other things that are going to be entering our society, I think we're all going to have to figure out what the role, how to adapt with the new technology. What AI Connect effectively does for both consumers and businesses is it connects that AI ecosystem together. It makes all of that technology, that device ecosystem, connect back to those inferencing instances as well as those large language models. It effectively moves data securely so that your grandma can use that robot in the kitchen to help her with her cooking.